Yeah, you know the vibes. When you see this beautiful face, Big X is chilling, and you are watching Stena. Mulweni, welcome back and welcome me back on yet another episode of Stena. Namhlanje, ukhona lo uzawuthwaxwa ngeStena ebusweni. Mbo! Hey, I can't wait. Stay tuned. When we come back, I'm going to give you the juicy story. You are watching his dinner, and the Big X is chilling. Nazoke, I told you namhlanje ba I have a juicy of the juiciest. Ungoyiki. Namhlanje we have Brandon. Brandon ufuna ungixelela uba hayi man wena Big X ukhona lo muntu nimfaka iStena apha ebusweni qha nifuna nje uzomazisa cause iyanditya le nto nifuna nje uzomazisa uba hayi mfondini ndikufaka iStena. Masike simamkele uBrandon. Brandon ungasondela. My brother,
What's up, mfethu?
how's it?
Fine, mfethu. Mnandi, mfethu.
Kangixelele ngubani igama lakho and why are you here?
Ngu-Brandon igama lami,
Yeah.
mfethu. And ngilapha because mfethu kunenye ibar, mfethu ngiyayibona
Ibhari.
Yo, mfethu iphethe umntana omuhle, mfethu. Umntana o-grand. But the way imphatha ngakhona, mfethu imphatha as if it's nothing, yabo.
Yeah.
So mina ngifuna ukuthi umntana sengimbambile already. So sengifuna umjida acava ukuthini sengikhona, yabo. So that umntana angabi ne-pressure by.
Okay, so ufuna ukwazisa umjidi ba no jonga ngoku sekukhala sami isicathulo lapha. Mna I am Jesus of this whole thing. I'm saving it.
Exactly.
Because uyambona ngo like actually uyi superhero yalo mntana. That's what you are meaning to tell me.
Njengoba ungizwa ngithi ngifuna ukuthula lo mthwala nawo mfethu ukuthi ayitshele umjidi. Angifuni abe ne-stress.
So you want to tell this guy to back off basically in his face.
Kahle ngiyibhova nje yabo.
Isibindi madonna startup isibindi esinga. Okay, without further ado, let me just ask you a few questions. Udibene phi nalo sisi and what did you like about her?
Mfethu, you know, if you see the diamond in the rough, mfethu, you have to dust it off, bro.
Msindisi, you are the savior then. Hey. So you saw her and you was like, diamond in the rough. Let me pick it up and then dust it off. Exactly. That's very beautiful. So you are telling me uyamthanda.
Ngiyamthanda mfethu, ngiyamncane
Umuntu uyamthanda.
Mfethu injalo mfethu. Mawubona ukuthi umjida akafaki more effort entweni enhle mfethu, you have to take it up to yourself, bro.
Yeah, simvela uBrandon. Uthi uBrandon mana lento yenziwa ngilomjida ngomntana niyithandi tu ayihlali kamnandi kum. Let me step in ke ndithi vrum ke ndimsuse male diamond ndiyisuse in the rough ke ndiyibeke somewhere beautiful which is his bed. That is somewhere beautiful. But ke asikho lapho. When we come back, we're gonna bring lomjida bambetha ngeStena. Le ndoda it ayoyiki without fear, no favor. Izamxela ba hey ndoda. Lo mntana uthandana naye or this girl that you're with is mine. When we're back, we're gonna serve you the juiciest. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. Sorry for being extra man, but I'm just excited. See you again. Yeah, siphinde sabuya lapha. Hey, Mfondini, I have a few questions. So, uthi lo mntana besides wena ba umfumane in the rough as you have said. What else do you like about her? Like unjani ba klamcim?
Mfethu uyobona from eating ngitshele yona from wasekuqaleni.
Yeah.
So umjito bekajola nayo lo mntana mfethu is like umjito engimaziyo from eclassini yabo.
Yeah.
So besinokuchila wabona vele mawunganathizi uyazi amajita achila. So besinokuringa ngabo girl bethu mfethu. Umjito angichazele the way umntana ayibist ngakhona yabo. So na my envy mfethu ukuthi let me get the cream de la cream yabona.
So Lomjita anizochom, you are not close friends, you are just in the
not
same
at
class.
All, mfethu, not at all.
So Lomjita like balesela when he's telling you about I man, yo indombi yam, ipajero beti, not ipajero man, iLamborghini, ndlela lehabaleka ngayo kamnandi in bed. And when you're like, I'm envying this, ndiyayifuna nami. So what you heard from him now that you have the girl, is it still the same thing?
It's still the same thing mfethu because now I'm a sexual desire as well, I'm a phezulu mfethu. So it's the thing.
So now how often do you jabba in a week? Sorry man, I just this kind of interested.
It's countless times mfethu.
Hey, no, how you gonna make a baby with someone's girl, man? Hey, she must be free first. But yeah, that's what you are here to do. One other thing besides Davas, what else do you like about her? Like, just
she's pretty mfethu. Muhle umntana abantu mfethu. So into enhle mfethu uyayithatha we pass kahle mfethu. We cherish mfethu.
The way it seems to me when I actually are more interested in the physical but in attributes of this girl. But like what does she do that makes you like do you even like her personality?
Mfethu she's contained mfethu umntana abantu. So
mina why comes like she's contained. Hey my daughter. Hey good juicy. Sendimbuzile imibuzo man nayiva lenonifuna uyiva ba hey kuthene mbetha ngeStena omnye umjida. Now I think it's about time. This guy is here actually.
He's here.
Yeah. I called him. This guy is here and I want you to tell him in his face, Uba, yey, Mfondini, indombi yakho ndiyifunila lapha. Phofu seyilalapha xa indombi yakho ndifuna uba serious nayo. So wena kakume kancinci. Are you ready?
I have to do what I have to do for you.
Nemvile ke isibindi se-warrior kule ndoda. Isiqhwabele izandla. Big X is chilling and you are watching Stena. When we come back, we're gonna bring you Twanga Stena. See you! Yeah, Big X is chilling and you you know by now. According to Vanitete. If ubungekho lapha, let me just take you back kwenzeka ntoni. uBrandon ufikile, wathi uBrandon, hey, Big X nithanda ichero yomjito othile and ndifuna uxela lo mjita okanye lo mjita afuneka yazi ba akasafuneka apha ndimo in charge, ndimi baba. Without further ado, let me excited. We're gonna bring the Twanga Stena. Sorry to say that. We're gonna bring Ubongani. Bongani, Lee, come this Ubongani, please. Brother man.
Hola.
Hamba kanjani ukrene?
Angirathi mfowethu.
Nami ngikrene njalo. Uyamazi umjiti?
Yeah, ngiyamcaba.
Mazela ngo.
Eklasini.
Oh, ninigeleza nonke sifunda.
That's right. Yeah.
I can see you're confused. You don't know what's going on or
Angazi ngizolini vele lana cause.
Okay. Ndokuthi mama ndingayithethi ngokwami man, uyabo?
Yeah.
Engasikayithethe ngokwakhe ba uzele ndoni apha.
Sure.
Enjaya mayikabi mfethu.
Sure.
Ayikabi mfethu. Ukuthi bese ngikulethela ama-TV la kuwe mfethu. Intombi yakho mfethu. Uqale lapho mfethu. Intombi yakho mfethu.
Yeah. Kwenzakalani?
Awuyazi na mfethu uphethe igolide la mfethu.
Yeah, ngiyazi.
Uphethe intombi enhle mfethu. So into khona ukuthi mina mfethu ngikubize ukuthi ngikutshele ukuthi mfethu intombi yakho sesike saba ne-thing. Ikhona into eyenzeka la.
Nibe nani?
Sike saba ne-thing mfethu.
Thing.
Yeah.
Hayi ngikuzwa baba. Uthini manje?
Mfethu intombi yakho sengike ngalala nayo.
Sukela nini?
Sengike ngalala nayo.
Sukela nini?
Mfethu uyangithusela manje.
Ngikuthusela yakubusukela nini?
Ngiyabekela indaba ngiyangithusela. Ngeke ngikutshela indaba ngithi mina ngikubizile. Ngithi mfethu
Ngijwayela wena. Angazomkhanda baba.
Imakancinci.
Hayi yini into engizelela kanti yabona ibaba.
Njaya, wait a little bit. Othi lo mjida intombi yakho.
Yeah.
Beke walala nayo. Imake. This means that how many times have you slept with this girl?
mfethu it's been more than 3 times.
Okay, Genjang.
Ngijwayela lo. Yeah.
So this means that when I was suspecting Nix that your girl is cheating or doing anything.
Hayi lutho.
Kuwe ugrand and everything.
Yeah, ku right nje. Ngimgcinele namhlanje kuseni futhi nje. Ngikho right.
Sure. But get as collabo. But do you understand what this means? This means that this means he texted, he met her where he met her, took the number, texted, and then they went to his house. And then when they got there, they started talking, they started kissing. He took off the clothes.
Yeah.
Walfaka, lapuma, girlfriend wako wapinda waltata, walfaka again. But Kenja, I'm call up. Sorry. I'm not trying to make fun, but I'm just trying to make you understand how heavy this is.
To understand. Into njani le walifaka walikhipha mfethu intombini yami. Nawe uyangijwayela kodwa mfethu.
Menza kanjani nje mancane. Ngiyacela ningabi njani please.
Mfethu ungangiphakameli la mfethu. Lento uziyenzeka njalo. Lento uziyenzeka njalo.
Stop acting the spice man.
Siyaphuma la mfana wami.
All right njalo. So what I'm trying to understand mfethu, why did you do what you even English yanbaleka because man, why did you do what you did?
Mfethu nawe uyambona umjida mfethu. Umjida usekavela phakama ngama-anger ngisambekela istory angakasizwe istory mfethu.
But how can you not angry?
That means mfethu akakwazi ukumamela omunye umuntu mfethu. So ngabona ukuthi lo mntana usenkinga njaya.
So you feel like lo mntana udeserve wena?
Deserve mina njaya.
Well, in that case, I can see, brother man, no stress. Since you found out about Lendo, like, what is going on in your mind right now? You know,
abangijwayela kabi labo. Siyaphuma kodwa lana. Angijwayela kabi.
Mesiphuma bese wenzani?
Sobona. Siyaphuma mfana, sobona siyaphuma mfana, sobona.
Bese wenzani mesiphuma?
Uzobona khona.
Hey, uthembi
ithathe njengendoda mfethu.
Uyindoda
take some few punches ebusweni mfethu. This is one of them mfethu.
So you are telling him that
kahle wena ngijwayela mfethu ngijwayela
njaya mase wenza kanje wenza izinto
man akho need yokulwa manje lihlazi into ba I understand it gets to your feelings but
uyangibuka umhlaba wonke manje yini lento endeni yazi
mfethu I understand your pain, trust me, but ukulwa ngentombazana is not a good look, you know.
Hayi naye ngijwayela lo ngiyangijwayela mangifika nje endlini nje
uyabona into engishoyo ubeka isandla emuntu nesifazane and umthreatena phambi komphakathi mfethu. That's why ngimthatha lo ntana mfethu. Akakufanelanga mfethu.
Utshene kanjani?
Ayikabi mfethu.
Utshene kanjani?
Akashongo kodwa njengoba evumile kusho ukuthi naye uzwa ngaleyo ndlela.
Mina nothi unamjwayela nothi ungantshena bafana bami.
Ungayibeka ngendlela ofuna ukuyibeka ngayo mfethu
kodwa ukugcina abanye.
Kodwa mfethu
ugcina abanye.
Hey,
nabani kanjani?
Andinamazwi, sorry Jens, andinamazwi. You know, I've never been speechless. Mna abebomini nguyepi ngisoloko ndithetha, but I've never been speechless man. But Hi man, we're gonna go to the break. Asibuya. Yo. We're gonna bring the girl. So make sure you stay tuned. Big X is I saw, Let's go. Hey, kushushu. Ndiyatsha. Before the break, we had Brandon telling emxelela lo mjita ambethe ngesitini ba hey intombi yakho andiyayithanda uthi uBrandon ndiyifakile ndayikhupha ndaphinda ndayifaka wayifaka ngokwakhe xa iphuma this time around but hey let's call the girl maske simbize usisi akazozithethela ngokwakhe Lee kamzise Lee kamzise yeah. Ow. Stena zam. How are you?
Ndiyaphila njani?
Nami ndiyaphila man. This is a show called Stena, whereby you'll get it, But without further ado, can you tell me ubani igama lakho?
Igama lami
Nguzenande.
Yeah.
Do you know these two people that are sitting in front of you?
Ndiyabazi.
Wancuma mama. Wancuma la no man. So we are busy. How do you know him?
Ndithandana naye.
Uthandana naye? And him?
Naye ndithandana naye kodwa ngoku.
Sure. Uthandana naye? So who were you dating first? Him. How long? It's been quite a long time since uthandana nalo.
Yeah, 2 years.
It's been 2 years.
Yeah, it's been 2
years.
years.
And you just met Lona recently.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What made you attracted to him?
Umoya phansi. Uyakwazi ukuphatha intombazana.
Mina ngikwazi.
Ukwazi ukuphatha intombazana.
Mancane njalo.
Wenza into endizifunayo. Xa khona into endiyicelayo iyandenzela without complaining.
Akabe kubhekisa ngapha nangapha.
Hayi, akandisilena le.
Phatha kanjani quality?
So since you've said what you like about him, what attracted you to him in the first place?
Bencinga ngumuntu right.
Oh, bucinga ngumuntu right. 2 years yonke ucinga ngumuntu right.
So angeni umuntu right mina.
Anditsho ngiba ngumuntu right.
Ushukuthini?
But ndiyatsho uba sometimes into zenzayo andizithandi.
Zintoni ezazenzayo?
Akandenzeli izinto endizifunayo. Yazi intombazana mos sifuna ukukhutshwa. So yena xa ndimxelela uba sifuna ka sizikhuphe unisa kwamayimai yabazi amazulu nyama entloko nje oko nje.
Ukudla nje nakho
ama toiletries. Hayi bondi intombazana make D ipizza.
So is taking you to inyama enhloko.
Inyama enhloko kufana cinga.
Kwa my. But I find inyama ka my imnandi nje. What's the problem?
Hayi oko kaloku. Awudondityisa inyama enhloko oko. Ayikwazi.
Ama chips siyawadla nje ngathi ngithing take away sidla kodwa.
So besides that, like just be honest. Papa ebhedini ubhudu njani lo?
Alright yena. Alright but hayi ngalendlela right ngayo.
Yo! Ngizwa. Manje ukuphindele. Uthe ebhedini, hayi uza kancinci. Apha uthi ufumana lento ayifunayo.
Manje bongasho ngani?
But all this time why didn't you tell him this?
Bongasho ngani vele?
Ngoba ngathi anger like ndiyamuyika sometimes.
Does he beat you?
Amazulu kanjani?
Uyamshaya mfethu?
Angimshayi lo muntu mfethu.
Akaze
ngikushaya.
Akazi kodwa uyanithusela uba uzanibetha. So it means one day angayenza lonto.
Hey. Kunzima maske sime. This brother is saying he's never laid a hand on you, and now you just confirm that he's never laid a hand on you. So let's get past that. I want to go back to Lomba where Sekisi, cause a lot of times Sekisi by a problem. You understand? So on your first time babbing this guy, you found out about no, this guy is better than him. Betty. First day.
First day. Ndibona uba this is what I wanted.
Manje ngimulokulela nami lokulela naye futhi.
Yo.
Yeah.
Valid question. So how long has this been going on behind his back?
Kudala
Eh?
Hayi vele bengaboni.
Close to 2 months, man.
Close to 2 months, Njayam. Yo. Like, do you understand the scenario, Njayam? Let me paint it for you.
Nani?
Okay, man, look, nigga, chance to tell.
Ngijwayelana kanje.
angijwayeli angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi awungiphathi le way ngifuna ukuphathe ngakhona.
Mfethu akumela ngibukho.
Angikhulumi nawe phethu angikhulumi.
Imam mfethu,
Umuntu wami lo ngikhuluma naye manje.
Ngiyayikhulumela.
Mana mfethu angikhulumi nawe.
Endod.
Angeke uzoba ugramp entombini.
Njayam, you can't teach him how to handle himself. Just play your part. Uthini?
Mfethu my game yakhe limi mfethu omnye umjidi uyamsiza. So ngizama ukumsiza for umuntu azomthola.
Do you understand you are in the same class?
Ngiyaunderstand.
Do you understand that you might make this guy drop out of school?
Ngeke ngiyekise.
Oh,
Ngeke
that's beautiful.
ngeke ngiyekise.
That's beautiful, Njayam.
Kodwa ayipheli lana kodwa ithi ngizosho ayipheli lana.
Yabo into endiyitshoyo.
Amadoda ayiphele kodwa noma yini leyo uzoyiletha kumina ngi-ready for yona ingakho ngikulethela.
So Zenande, sorry, chance to cut you off. So what? Since this guy, Yabona, he came here and told us this whole thing, Yabo. So now, what do you want to do? Do you want to ufunugumshia uputi or what's gonna happen? Ubafuna bobabini.
Sizo futhi nje.
Yo. Question yakho inzima yazi. But ndizohamba naye.
Hayi akwenzi lokho. Mfethu ngeke mfethu. Intombi yami le.
Intombi yami. Iqeda ukuhlukana nawe nje manje.
Njayam.
Lento incengayo sokusiza mfethu. Komele uaccept njalo. Komele uaccept njalo. Umhlaba lo. Umhlaba.
Yani.
Umhlaba accept.
Come kancane. So Zenande, just like that, uyamshiya u2 years womuntu for.
Ngeke sangishiye uzobuya yazi. Ngeke sangishiye.
Uyanithusela mos.
Angikuthuseli ngikutshela ngisho kahle nje. Uzobuya ngiyazi uzobuya.
Intoni ekwenza show banzobuya.
Uzobona nawe. Uzobona nawe. Kodwa
So Imanjani, let me ask you a valid question. Since you found uZenande enomntu and then she agreed to beba you, she agreed to sleep with you while enomntu, what makes you think that is not going to happen to you?
Mfethu mina nje ngoba ngikujelile ngathi game yami on point. Game yami on point, everything on point njalo. Umntana ngimspoiler the way afuna ngakhona nje. Ngimnikeza wonke
Hey, guys, you understand the way this guy talks? It feels like I'm a girl now. You understand? It's like it's working me. Papa game back to being serious. Magancane nje. Uthini, can you repeat that?
Ngisi game yami on point.
Hey, ay maro, bra, just cut it off. He's saying his game is on point. Do you agree? Like yonke yakhe is
101%.
Yeah. Mara mfethu angifuna ukushiya. What I can tell you is xa bengakufuni njami, xa bekulahla lahleka njami, you understand? You'll always find someone better. If she can date someone for a whole 2 months while you're still there, I don't believe she's the one for you, Njaya. You can find her.
awuzomshiya naye vele. Angithi ngitshela ukuthi ufuna amapizza nani mhlawumbe uyamthengela yena. Kodwa next time khona uzomthola ama-McD ile
uzamsa kuma fancy restaurants than as lenda amsabuza.
Ngisenandaba futhi hayi. Kuyafana nje.
And that's the spirit. Zenande, do you have any last words to say to him?
Yeah.
Come share.
Next time mawuthola umuntu osharp umphathe kahle.
Hey, nithe nibambane nezandla khanime. Nizazibamba izandla xa engekho lo mjidi. Uthini?
Okay. Next time mawuthola umuntu umphathe kahle. Uyekela ukuba ulomzulu lo odeep wase KZN. Cha. Wazi ukuthi intombazana eyathengelwa ama-toiletries, intombazana eyenziwe ekhanda, intombazana uyiphatha kahle. Futhi mawukhuluma nentombazana awukhuphule ivoice yakho. Yeah.
Umamele njani?
Yabos.
Umamele. So do you have any last words to say to him, to her?
Kahlahle kubo bobabili nje abaqhubeka lento yabo le. Kodwa nje ngasenandaba kodwa. Ahamba uyibona.
You got what you wanted. I'm sure you are happy as hell.
Mfethu.
I can touch the sky manje.
Yeah, injami ngokhuleka ngifuna ukukhuleka. Because angifuna ukubamba la because kuzavele kube warm, kube shushu. Injami. Yeah, akuna stress injami, akuna stress. You saying you can touch the sky?
Touch the sky mfethu.
Oh, all right. So now, where do you see this going? Do you think you guys can reach up to 5 years?
Mfethu, you can even go further mfethu. Ne left finger yakhe nje mfethu ngibheke.
Hey, uthoza kuchata zenani. Yeah, man. Did you have these conversations with?
Akayiboni nje ngathi akayiboni future.
One thing I'm gonna say before I close the show. One thing I'm gonna say is that as much as it hurts me seeing Umjita going through what he's going through, but as long as you are happy, my sister, you understand. What matters at the end of the day is your happiness. As long as you are happy, if Umjita ukuphatha kahle, ukubhebha kahle, ukuthengela zonke izinto kahle, then live your life, you understand. At the end of the day, akekho umuntu ongatshelwayo. Umjita bambethe ngeStena, nami ndandike nabethwa ngeStena. Now he has yakuni.
I saw the feeling.
Hey, he's confident. You're saying never.
Yeah.
That's how we wrap the show, Gebetuna. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Big X is chilling, and you were watching is Stena. Thank you to our guests, Siabonga, and I'm praying for Umjita that has been stinted, that he finds strength to continue. Thank you very much. Woohoo! Big X is chilling. You are watching Stena. Next time.